What I have here to show you today is a very cheap but effective test light. It's right here. It's got a little LED. You have to have this part of the test light facing you to see it well. It also shows you the voltage. And I've got just connected to a ground over here. It's got an accordion style cord, which feels a little tight when you go to pulling on it, like it's gonna pull this loose if you try to pull it too far. I've connected it to one of the wires here. I checked all the wires until I found the one wire that has power while the backup lights are on, because I'm trying to hook up a backup camera here, and it has worked very well for that. And I'm sure will work very well for any other instance where I need a very simple test probe. It says it'll do from 3 to 48 volts. I'm using it on a 12 volt system. I haven't tried it on a 24 volt or a 48 volt system. Do not know about that. It is made in China and it works. And I like the little voltage readout. That's pretty cool.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.